Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to receive Bitcoin over the Lightning Network to a Coinbase account. So what we're going to do is launch Coinbase. So what we're going to do from the homepage of Coinbase is we're going to go down to our portfolio, clicking on this little pie chart here down towards the bottom. And then in your Bitcoin assets, we're going to click on that. In our Bitcoin page, what we want to do is click on where it says transfer. And this is receiving Bitcoin over the Lightning Network. So we're going to click receive. And then you can see you have these different options here. So one of those options is the Lightning Network, and we're going to select that right here. And you can read over this information about the Lightning Network if you want to, but then we're going to get to the end here. Then we're going to enter in how much Bitcoin that we're going to receive over the Lightning Network. We need this to create our Lightning Network invoice. So let's just say I'm going to do a small amount here, just $1 US, and then I'm going to create this Lightning Network invoice. And we can see in our invoice, we're going to be receiving Bitcoin on the Lightning Network. If you want, you can scan the QR code, or you can paste in a Lightning invoice if you want to copy that down. For this example, I'm going to copy down this Lightning invoice. So I have that copied. So now I'm going to head over to a different wallet that has Lightning Network capabilities. And for me, this is going to be my ZBD wallet. If you're interested in getting a ZBD wallet for yourself for Lightning Network Bitcoin transfers, it's a nice resource for that. I'll post a link to them down in the description. But you can do this from any wallet, of course, that has Lightning Network capabilities. I'm going to open up my ZBD wallet right here. And depending on which wallet you're sending your Bitcoin from, what app you're using, it'll be a little bit different in terms of the layout. But if you wanted to use that QR code, for instance, that I was talking about earlier, I could just simply click on send. And then in the send area, I could scan that Lightning Network QR code that we had over on Coinbase. But I copied down that Lightning invoice. So to send with that option, I'm going to click here where it says transfer Bitcoin. And I'm going to transfer using the Lightning Network. And I'm going to paste that invoice that I had copied down. And we can see the details of this. And the fees are so low on the Lightning Network. We're only getting about a 1 penny fee on this transfer. So then I'm going to drag this to confirm. And then it shouldn't take too long for this to process. Another great thing about the Lightning Network is it is way faster than transferring Bitcoin on chain. So now we're going to head back to our homepage and open up Coinbase. And I can see that I just received that Bitcoin, $1 of Bitcoin over the Lightning Network. And if I scroll down in my Bitcoin wallet area here on Coinbase, I can see the receipt for that I had received that Bitcoin. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, how to use the Lightning Network to receive Bitcoin in your Coinbase account's Bitcoin wallet. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.